tricking the brain, distorting the senses, challenging perception. You can't trust what you see, even with your own eyes. Meet the Masters of Illusion.
You will be baffled by this performance by Bill Cook and his friend Hank.
Wow! Stick to magic. How do you make a handkerchief dance? You blow a little boogie into it. Stay down. Stay down. Please stay down. I told you to stay down. Isn't that kind of cool? Hello, young lady, would you please stand? Hold out your hands like you're gonna hug someone. Hold on, don't move. Folks, the invisible bow, the invisible arrow from the steps. I got it. Whack. Got it. Oh, he's fine. Hanky, up. Woo, thank you so much, dear. You may take a seat. Give her a round of applause for being outstanding. And say hello to my assistant. His name is Hank. And all good things must come to an end. Chill. Okay, I'll put you back. Just breathe. You good? Go.